Welcome back to Automotive. Another episode of the Chevelle. And she's still dirty, but a different kind of dirty. So I'm going to whip out the pressure washer today and just see how much of this crap I can get off. Now, wasn't overly prepared for this, so I don't have soaps or anything fun like that, degreaser, so we're just going to get off as much as we can, and then when I have the nose ripped off of her, we'll hit it again. Now another thing I want to do is I'm going to hit the whole body. So first things first, let's go ahead and get this thing out.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gore, always wanting more. Freedom from the source, they don't really understand until they feel the force of party. And if you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped to be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Well, she's cleaner. I wouldn't say clean, but definitely a lot better. Well, take a look. Shell green again. Most of what I was doing was, you see all this crap that doesn't look clean, that would be the old primer, the Hot Rod Black primer that was on here. And most of what I was taking off, hello Spooby, was that. You can kind of see the striping throughout. There's more of it up here that I kind of got off, kind of didn't. So I'm definitely going to have to hit her harder when the nose comes off. Get some degreaser out or some soaps and scrubs and tear it up. But this is what I'm worried about. Pretty sure the inner structure is damaged, at the very least rusted. So that's something I'm gonna have to take care of. And yeah, you see all the fun stripes from where the black was coming off. So she's got a pretty design now. Oh well, it's all just temporary. So, you know, don't forget to comment down below what you think of the project. I guess it's not much of a project yet, but we'll get there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow along. This baby's got a lot of work to get done if I want to have it ready for LS Fest next year, which is my primary goal right now.